If you're in the market for a new vehicle, you may be wondering whether to buy new or used. Both options have their pros and cons, and it ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in a vehicle and your budget. Welcome to Mezinance YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe to support this channel. In this video, we'll explore the advantages and disadvantages of buying a new versus used car, and provide some examples to help you make an informed decision. Part 1: Advantages of buying a new car. Buying a new car has its perks. Here are some advantages of purchasing a new car. Reliability: new cars come with warranties, so you won't have to worry about unexpected repairs or breakdowns for a few years. Additionally, new cars come with the latest technology, which can make your driving experience safer and more comfortable. Customization: when you buy a new car, you get to choose the features and options you want. This means you can customize your car to fit your exact needs and preferences. Financing: many dealerships offer financing options for new cars, which can make purchasing a new car more accessible for those who may not have the funds up front. Example: if you're in the market for a car and have the budget, purchasing a brand new car can be a good investment. For example, if you're looking for a family vehicle with advanced safety features, a new Toyota Highlander hybrid may be the perfect fit. Part 2: Advantages of buying a used car. On the other hand, there are also some advantages to buying a used car. Affordability: used cars are typically less expensive than new cars. Additionally, you may be able to negotiate a lower price with the seller, which can save you even more money. Depreciation: new cars lose value as soon as you drive them off the lot, while used cars have already gone through that initial depreciation. This means that you won't lose as much money if you decide to sell your used car later on. Variety: there are many used cars available, which means you have a wider range of options to choose from. Additionally, you may be able to find a used car with the features you want at a lower price point than a new car with the same features. Example: if you're looking for a budget-friendly car that is still reliable and has low mileage, purchasing a used Honda Civic may be a good option. Many dealerships and private sellers offer certified pre-owned vehicles, which have been thoroughly inspected and come with warranties. Part 3: Disadvantages of buying a new car. Before you make a decision, it's important to also consider the disadvantages of buying a new car. Price: new cars are more expensive than used cars, and you may end up paying more for features that you don't really need. Depreciation: as mentioned earlier, new cars lose value quickly. This means that if you decide to sell your car later on, you may not get as much money back as you initially invested. Insurance: new cars often come with higher insurance rates, which can add up over time. Example: if you're on a tight budget and don't want to spend too much money on a car, a new car may not be the best option. Instead, consider looking for a used car that fits your needs and budget. Part 4: Disadvantages of buying a used car. There are also some disadvantages to buying a used car. Repairs: used cars may have more wear and tear, which means you may have to spend more money on repairs and maintenance in the long run. History: you may not know the full history of a used car, which could lead to unexpected problems down the road. For example, the car may have been in an accident or have underlying mechanical issues that are not immediately apparent. Financing: financing options for used cars may be more limited, and you may have to pay a higher interest rate if you do get financing. Example: if you're considering a used car, be sure to do your research and get a vehicle history report. This will give you an idea of any past accidents, repairs, or other issues the car may have had. There are advantages and disadvantages to both buying a new and used car. It ultimately comes down to what you're looking for in a car, your budget, and your personal preferences. If you have the funds and want the latest features and technology, a new car may be the way to go. However, if you're on a budget and want to save money, a used car may be a better option. Whatever you decide, be sure to do your research and take your time to find the car that's right for you. Example: ultimately, the best option will depend on your specific needs and preferences. For example, if you want a reliable car that will last you for years to come, a new Subaru Outback may be the perfect fit. However, if you're looking for a more affordable option, a used Honda Accord may be a better choice. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of each option and make an informed decision that meets your needs and budget. I hope you found this video helpful, and I would love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on finance and wealth management. You can also check out our website mezinance.com for more financial tips. Thank you for watching.